So this is the final product, and this one is very healthy. But before you get this product here, you have to face down these downs here, millions of downs here. So these things that are not very available in the market, these are the best things, you know, but nobody will tell you this, because before I peeled all this into this, I used to do this. A knife and a fork. Like this is the lower part, the fruit itself. I place it up to this level here, and then I try to cut it, because you cannot catch it, because it is filled with, understand, all this, very inchy in the body. So that's why I started the process with all this. It's very healthy. So this is a waste. This one will just grow in the garden. It's just like a manure. So that's the process. It's the final product. This one you can blend it, you can eat it raw like that. Like me, I like chewing. I don't like our bread, but I don't like blending anything. I just take the part that. It's very milky, very healthy. Then I just